oil.
Sweet Dala tea.
Isn't this for the dough? We need more.
Oh, this is
Oh no,
hot.
we have another one. That's for the.
Okay. Yeah, the oil is the 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Got your oregano.
Sweet. Yeah. Cool. That's even lower than before. Looks like I'm gonna have to kill Joey. Just joking. I can't even do that.
My pepperoni is so whack.
Just like mine, yo.
It's your Hello Kitty.
Dude, you cutting it so bad.
I can only have,
Shut up, Michael. Can't you get any
I can
better?
only have like 4 pieces of pepperoni. It's not gonna.
Oh, yeah.
Yo.
Put your hands up. Stangle Jones with my knife.
Yo, man, Josh is gonna stab you. Whoa. That's so scary.
My grandpa always goes like this. Goes like
That's
this.
creepy, dude. I do that with Sharpies, but no.
No, seriously, he goes like
Not
this
nice,
and then he
dude.
flips it around and goes like that. Or he'll just go like this.
Creepy, dude. Sweet Dala tea from McDonald's.
Oh, this is the dough, right?
you here?
Yeah, no, that's
I'm recording.
Yeah, you have
cook?
to hear
For Christine.
Give me a small piece.
Ew, are you gonna really eat that? Are you... Oh, seriously?
Does it taste good? Cook, boys.
Nasty.
What do
My Hello Kitty case.
Shit, that's
Foul.
Yeah, I put it in, I preheated it.
So is it preheated already?
Yes. Then you have to steer it. You have to steer it.
Steer it.
What do you steer it?
I dropped this into the freaking sink.
You put this there.
10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes.
Has it been 10 minutes for the yeast yet? No, it's starting to work. You can see how it's getting sort of.
It smells so bad.
Okay, just wait for like 2 minutes.
Oh man, I'm gonna puke.
And don't go near it.
I think I have to puke in this yeast, dude.
It all depends on how small.
Yeah.
I'm recording, man.
Oh.
Why? This is my wife. She's
What?
cooking my food for me. My sweet pizza. Oh, that yeast smells so
Where's
bad.
the pizza pan?
Smells like coochie.
Michael, do something.
Alright.